Another big impact has to do with the fact that releases simply aren't fun. It's not what most people signed up for. I know there are exceptions. Sometimes you have dedicated mobile release managers. That's great if your team has one, a huge luxury. But for most engineers who get pulled into this role, that's not most of what they signed up for. They want to build product or they want to work on platform stuff like frameworks and reusable components, whatever it might be. And so certainly when folks are having to switch tasks and switch focus to stuff that's outside their usual domain, that's not so fun. And it takes a toll over time. We have personal experience with this. I'm sure Isabel would agree. When we are on a team working on product and maybe you have a release rotation, you get pulled out and it's a whole complicated process. You are not the happiest engineer in the world. You'd rather go back to building features and focusing there. We've heard extreme examples of this, just to call it out too, from some teams where the folks that were constantly getting looped in for release management simply couldn't take vacation when they wanted to because there's big releases they need to get out the door and they just don't have the distributed knowledge or the ability across the team to deal with and wrangle their release process. So there's real risk with bottlenecks and certainly burnout and DevX issues there.